Here's the 4-letter code to save up to 35% on your new mini split. ACIQ. ACIQ offers the latest in mini split technology without all the extra prices and fees from the other brands. ACIQ has higher SEER ratings, a longer warranty, and better cold weather performance than its big brand competitors. Made by one of the world's largest air conditioning manufacturers, you know you're getting amazing quality. Choose from a wide range of options from single zone all the way up to 5-zone systems, plus a selection of air handler types and the Extreme Weather Platinum Series. Visit us today at hvacdirect.com and let us help you find your perfect ACIQ heating and cooling system. Sound too good to be true? Check out the over 13,000 reviews on our website to see how we save American homeowners thousands of dollars per order. Our mini split sales techs are available on the phone or chat to quickly help you find a system that works for you.